Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is trying to break through that $105 level. It's basically the next price target that was reached that we talked about in the last video when we saw here this W pattern forming on the Solana chart. So let me just highlight that. Had this W here, yeah, where actually that second low is higher than the first one, which is a very good sign. In addition to that, I made you aware of that descending wedge, a bullish breakout pattern. Now that worked out. Also made you aware of this important support zone that did hold. And of course, what I made you aware of already in November is this whole area where I would expect the price to go into, and that did work out. We found support now in the target area, and Solana is already breaking out of the target area again, which is a first good sign, in addition to the breakout of that descending wedge. However, Solana now needs to break above $105. Very important one. We had one resistance here, and now resistance here. So it needs to break it. If it breaks it, next target would be $122. And then we are still far away from any confirmed breakout to the upside, in my opinion. I mean, this is currently a breakout, but it's not yet anything that would confirm that we are on our way to sustainable new all-time highs. Yeah, and I said that yesterday in the video. It's still very early days. A lot needs to happen in order to basically assume or tell us that we are already on our way to new all-time highs. Okay, a lot would need to happen. We would want to see definitely a first 5-wave structure to the upside before we can confirm that. And I think that's not going to happen until we, I would even want to see that $159 level up here broken, which is that wave 4 top up here. That's a long way. But as I said before, the target areas here, all the target areas on my charts were buying areas, and where you buy, that's up to you. I obviously set my own buy orders, and you can see them on Discord if you're interested in joining the channel membership, but you don't need them. It's up to you when you want to buy. So I already bought, that, I think last time around $80. So we have some nice upside since then, but I also started to buy already a little bit earlier on the way down here. So that doesn't matter, because the price targets for the next major wave up, they are just incredible. They show at least $450, probably even more, and therefore I'm looking forward to that. And it's as I said, Solana is now at a very, very important resistance level here, $105. That is the next one I'm looking out for. Price target reached. I mean, we can see that the indicators would still support higher prices. We can see that we are above the 20-day moving average, so we broke about that. We have a MACD that has crossed the 0 line here on the daily. That supports further upside because we still have increasing momentum. The RSI is as high as it hasn't been since the middle of November. And we can see that the the ADX down here on the daily still shows a long signal. And then what I wanted to show you on the weekly chart is as well where we here on the MACD start to turn around bullish. And we have that long signal now on that ADX and DI indicator on the weekly. Now, the last time that happened, it took Solana to new all-time highs. And I don't think we are ready yet. But as I have to say, whenever we reach a target area, I'm ready for new all-time highs. I told you. And anyone who hasn't bought, as always, still can buy now. That's up to you. But I said many times before, if you don't buy in the target area, then you have to ask yourself, when we move out of the target area again, what do I do now? Yeah, and therefore the target areas weren't there for fun. They were there to secure positions. I personally did that. Of course, I still had a buy order set lower. That's fine. If that wasn't triggered, it might still be triggered when we come down once more. That would still be my primary expectation. And also, very important, we can always get the next entry point, when we move higher and then come down and make a higher low, then that would still be another potential entry point. So looking interesting now, and yeah, I'll certainly keep you updated. Certainly very interesting here, that resistance level, which currently is rejecting Solana. I mean, we can see that the price is struggling, but the price is building up just below that resistance. I think it would have good chances to actually break it, but again, we don't know until it's really broken. We see increased volume as well, so all of that would support higher prices, but maybe we get a bit of a rejection down to $100 again, and then give it a go. Yeah, looking at that and interesting. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.